Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO T1 Pro and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So in this video I'd like to show you two different ways because we can block the number which we've got currently saved on our contacts. So I'll show you how to block a contact and then I'll show you how to block a number kind of manually. So let's start with your contact list, let's open it, and then find the contact you'd like to block and tap on it. Now we have to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on block numbers. Your device will of course ask you if you really want to do it because you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from it. So just tap on block. As you can see, we've got those characteristic icons near two phone numbers because I've got two of them assigned to one contact, but that's okay. And basically from now on those numbers are blocked. Of course we can unblock it the same way just by tapping on unblock numbers, but let me leave it like this because we will check if it will appear on the blacklist. So right now we are going to the second way of blocking the number, and here in this way you don't have to have the number saved. So you can have it, for example, in the recents. You can have it, I don't know, taken from the internet. You can simply copy it and then you will paste in the proper section. So in order to get there, we have to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner, and it does not really matter if you will be on the contacts, recents or the favorites. Three dots icon, tap on the settings, and here enter blocked numbers. As you can see here, we've got our blacklist. That's the number we just blocked from our contacts. So the first way also works perfectly fine. And as I said, here you can add a number manually. So let's tap on add a number, and you've got this section where you can enter the number manually or you can paste it if you've got it copied, and simply tap on block. And as you can see, it will immediately appear on a blacklist. What is more, if you want to block unknown numbers, you can do it right here. You can turn it on just by tapping on the switcher, and from now on your device will simply block the calls from all unidentified callers. So it may be useful, but not always. If you want to unblock those numbers, nothing easier, just this X button right next to it and confirm it with unblock. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.